at the villain. All your insecurities just shot up at the ceiling. Oh, if you can and look off, baby, say that shit. I suggest you go on, find someone basic. I've been writing all the
Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on my video. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. But anyway, today is Friday. We got a busy weekend, busy week. So we're going to get the day started. I got to run some errands, wash some clothes, finish up like my last assignments for the semester, just so I could be done with it, y'all. I'm just done with the semester. God willing, if the grades and everything go in, your girl will be graduating. I don't know if my graduation will be January. I did put in an application and graduate for January. So pretty much I gotta wait for my grades to be submitted. I'm at 123 credits. For your bachelor's, you need 120. I'm at 123. With my main class that I need to graduate, I gotta submit the rest of my paper, and then that will ultimately determine if I'm actually walking in my graduation on January. But we know God already got it, so thank you God in advance for me graduating. So yeah, like I said, I'm about to get myself together, brush my teeth, wash my face, let my hair down, throw on something for the day, run my errands, come back home, do a little bit of homework, and just getting my house and everything together. But yeah, we gonna jump into this vlog and get started. 10 out of 10 recommend these. I have Invisalign, so I make some hot water, and this is my aligner care, and I'm trying to get my teeth a little bit white without having to use like get my teeth actually bleached. So these are my 10 out of 10 recommend. Alright, y'all, so I did like a little mini skincare routine. I don't really wear makeup besides my lashes and maybe a little bit of eyeliner. My eyebrows are microbladed. I think I got them done like maybe almost 2 years ago. I think I got them done, but I'm about to, y'all, the people is stressing me out this morning. Running a business is no joke. So it comes to replying to emails. Well, I'm not going to say running all businesses is no joke, but let alone running a cleaning business. Like, no matter how good you clean, you're always going to hear stuff, right? And I just can't deal with me and my partner, my business partner is my good sis. We just can't deal with like some things that have been happening with our one contract. So come the end of this month, we're going to be letting it go, but we already had something in line for the new year. It's just too much nitpicking. Don't get me wrong. Like, we know how to clean. We've been in business. Like, it's just the little stuff that's not even really about cleaning that's bothering us. So I was just on my business phone replying to emails or looking through our emails. And yeah, So I'm about to pick out something to wear, run these couple of errands, come back home, and get a little bit organized, y'all. My room is a little chaotic right now. It's not too bad, but it's not up to my standards. So we gotta get that together. I gotta wash some clothes because like I said, I got a busy weekend. So I'm gonna take y'all with me with this weekend. And yeah, we're gonna get this day started and let's go. All right, y'all, so I'm done getting ready for the day. We about to do this here next. And yeah, head out the door. I usually flexi ride my hair, y'all. It's the best. So listen, you ain't gotta do nothing. You just pull them out and take them down. And look at that. Look at this girl. Your girl is ready for the day. Period. So I'm gonna take them all down and I come back. All right, y'all, so I'm done for the day. About to head out the door. It's crazy once you get yourself together, even the tone of your voice change. But I'm done for the day. Well, not done for the day, but I'm done getting ready. We about to head out. Your Target is giving very much like everybody trying to hurry up and get their Christmas shopping done. It's cold. It's a little drizzling. Anybody else state still y'all gotta bring your own bags to like shop and stuff? I don't think this ever going. But anyhow, we made it to Target. Yo, Target is so crowded. Excuse me, Target is so crowded. It's giving like come back another day. Like nobody at work today. It is 12:09. The kids not out of school. Nothing. So everybody just got Friday off besides me. So it's giving them out to put my car back and go to my other stores. I was only coming in here for real. Oh, what I was saying was I was only coming in here for real because my bank is in here. So I went to the ATM already, but it's giving I'm about to leave already. So I made it to my next destination, which is ShopRite. Listen, y'all, this whole entire day is giving I should have stayed in the house. Like everywhere is crowded. But we made it to the next destination. I don't need that much out of here, so this should be fast. I'm done my earrings for today. I'm about to go in the house, put these groceries away, start some laundry. It is 1:18, so I'm doing good. I wanted to be back in the house by at least 1:30. I do have a cleaning tonight. We'll be doing it around 7:30, so the rest of my time will be in the house. I'm also got groceries because y'all know, of course, the holidays are coming up. The kids are about to be on break. And I know I have a busy week next week, so I figured just come shopping today. And give me like a little things to take to work. You know what I mean? Like as far as like budgeting and everything like that goes, like you spend the most money always, you know, buying stuff from work. There's $7, $5, whatever in the cafeteria that adds up. So I got me like a couple of snacks and things to take to work. A lot of times I don't eat at work just because I go to lunch so early at work. Well, my usual shift is 8 to 4:30. So when I go to 8 to 4:30, I usually go to lunch around 11:30. I go to lunch, which is typically like breakfast, and a lot of times I don't be hungry, so I might just take a little bit of something to snack on, and then I'll eat when I get home. Like I'll eat when I get home because I get off here 4:30. So yeah, got me a couple of stuff just to take to work. I work, so I literally did this week. I worked. This week I worked. Did I work last week? I don't know, but you know, a hospital 24 hours, so that's neither here or there. But I feel like I just worked. No, I was off last weekend. I don't know, but I worked Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I had off today, which is Friday. I work Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. And then I'm off till after Christmas, actually. So it's not too bad. But if they need people to go in, I'm definitely going in. I got this bag I'm trying to get. Meanwhile, about doing and making sure my business and everything else is still in order. So yeah, I'm about to head home, take these groceries out, put these groceries away, start my assignments just to finish off this semester. I keep saying it, but I'm actually done after today. Like, I'm not doing nothing else. Like, hopefully I can get done everything before I gotta leave my house. I gotta leave my house at least by 6:30 to get to my cleaning. So I did promise my daughter Chipotle, so I'm actually going to have that for lunch today. Her grandmom sent me money for her to get Chipotle, spoiled child, only grandchild. So I'm gonna make sure I order her Chipotle, and then yeah, I'm gonna start doing my work. So I'll see y'all or talk to y'all in a little bit. How wonderful would it be? Hours later, it is 7:54. If y'all don't know, I have a cleaning business. So I'm actually here about to start this cleaning. It's at a country club, so it wasn't any there wasn't an event today. So with there not being an event today, that'll be good. So it's kind of like just making sure the common areas and everything is like cleaned and straightened up for their event tomorrow that they do have. So yeah, it's 7:55, so we about to go in here and knock this out, and then I'll check back in with y'all later. Hey y'all, so I just got done the cleaning. Well, it didn't just get done, but it's almost 10 o'clock. I'm about to fill up my tank for gas, run inside of Wawa, and yeah, we almost done for the day. Alright y'all, so I'm going to end today's vlog here. It's 10:51. We had a long day. I'm about to shower. I washed my sheets, about to make up my bed, finish up this last minute assignment, turn it in, and then yeah, because I got work tomorrow. It's 10:51. I gotta be to work at 8 o'clock. So I'll check in with y'all tomorrow. Good morning, y'all. It is, well, no, it's actually Saturday afternoon. So I've been at work since 8 o'clock. It is now, I think, almost 12:30. So I get off at 4:30. I was going to stay late, but I'm kind of tired, but I don't know, because I need the money, so I don't know. But I might stay. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how I'm feeling. See how bad it is when I get off break. Will be my main determining factor. So I'm gonna have to wrap up my lunch, go back upstairs, and yeah, finish this shift. And then I have another cleaning tonight. It doesn't start till 10 though, and then I gotta work again tomorrow. So hopefully it won't be too bad of a cleaning tonight. But the country club got like 3 events today, and they're using both of the rooms. So yeah, so we'll see how tonight goes. That's even more reason why I'm like, I don't know if I want to stay, because at least if I get a nap and when I go clean tonight, I won't be that tired. And then like I said, we should be done around 12, but I won't get home till like close to 1, and then I gotta be up at 7 to come to work at 8. So I'm like, it's the end of the pay period though today, so I'm like, stay and get these coins or just go home. I don't know, but we'll see. I'll let y'all know. Hey y'all, checking in. I'm fresh off work. Ooh, my hair look a little rough, but I'm fresh off work. Ooh, I'm fresh off work. Listen, today was a day. The emergency department, it just be crazy, but I love it because it's like so fast paced, and it makes your shift go past faster. So I'm off work. I'm about to go home, get me some food, and then later on tonight I do have a cleaning, so I'll be going to do that, and then I have to work tomorrow. So Yeah, the night not over. Night's still young. It's currently, oh, I forgot to tell you, I ain't had my watch on all day, y'all. But it's currently 4. Well, I get off at 4:30, but it's 4, like 32, 35, something like that. But yeah, I'm off work and I gotta come back tomorrow. And I'm here Monday and Tuesday. So, and usually I'm not, but I picked up some overtime. So, yeah, I'm getting in my car. It's time to go home and get me some real food. Good morning, y'all. It is Tuesday, y'all. I was on the elevator going to work. I didn't get home until like close to 11:30. I told you it usually take me 40 minutes. I was sitting in traffic literally for like an hour and a half. So I'm on my way to work.
That spill was there a week ago.
Yeah, I think it's the ice. I think that's what they put on top. But so yeah, it's time for me to go to work. And then after work, my daughter has her contact tonight. So I'll check in with y'all soon.
Tonight, you're going to be hearing the choral portion of our
Hey, yo, don't mind my hair. Taking my daughter to her allergy shot appointment. And I'm gotta take her back home and then I gotta go to church. I'm tired. Oh, yo, it's freezing, but I had to heat my car up. I had to fill up my tire pressure. It kept saying tire pressure low, and I'm like, it's supposed to supposedly snow on Thursday or Friday or whatever. And today is now Wednesday, y'all. I cannot beat traffic. Like, they was doing construction again, but this time in Jersey. When they was doing it, I was literally sitting there for like 30, 40 minutes. Had to run, come and get gas. And I was like, well, I'm over here. I might as well just put air in my tires. So I did it real quick. You know, now I'm about to go home. And yeah, tomorrow we're going to be real productive tomorrow. I don't know why I just got so loud, but tomorrow we're going to be real productive and get some stuff done. And yeah, I check in either when I get home or tomorrow.